Hello, my soul family. Welcome to this sacred place. Today, we are going to take a very special journey together. With the help of the spirits and energy guides, I will be sharing a meditation with you that can amplify any of your manifestation process. To get the best result, pick any area of your life. Now, to make the best use of this meditation, pick any one area of your life and work with this meditation process for one entire month. And then you can pick another intention for any other area of your life and work for another more month. In this way, you will be able to manifest everything in all the areas of your life through this one single meditation process. Make sure that you are in a place where you will not be disturbed for next 10 to 15 minutes. You can create a sacred space for yourself, probably burning an incense or candle, dimming the light, arranging some cushions, anything that helps you to calm down, relax, and forget about everything in the external world. Once you have made all the arrangements, sit down in cross-leg position. You can also lie down. And gently close your eyes. Gradually start to bring your focus back to your breathing. And gently close your eyes. Bring your attention back to your body. Feel the air in your body. As you keep on focusing on your body, try to have a quick scan. Is there any area that feels tight, tensed? If there is any pain in your body, send some conscious breathing to that part of your body. Now focus on the root chakra, that is base of your spine. Bring your awareness to your root chakra. root chakra, going down, down, deeper into the earth. And visualize a white beam of light shooting from your crown chakra, going up, up, connecting you with the heavenly body and the stars. Right now, your energy is activated and rooted to receive the flow of the energy. Visualize your intention in front of you. It can be from any areas of your life. Visualize that picture on a screen in front of you. What are you doing in that screen? Who are the people around you? What are the emotions you are experiencing? See all of this playing in front of your screen. You can go in as details as possible, or you can simply know that your manifestation, your desired life is being played in front of you, and you can watch that like a movie. Notice that there is a button in that movie screen, and you can control it. See yourself in your mind moving the button, like turning on the frequency of the radio, and filling the entire screen with bright light. The picture keeps on getting brighter and brighter and brighter till the time all you can see is simply light. Play with that button again and turn down the brightness. To a level that feels good to you, and turn this up once more till the time it fills with pure white light. and closer to you. Now all you can see is a golden ball of light in front of you, encoded with the energy frequency of your dream life. Bring that golden ball of light closer to you and see where it fits in your body. It can be in any place, probably your heart, your mind, your gut, where this golden light is fitting in your body. Do not run your mind in selecting the place. It will simply feel like a click in your body, like a perfect match. Now shift that ball of light in other places of your body, probably in your hand, in your stomach, in your leg, in your shoulder, lower back, your mind. Move that energy ball all across your body. You might feel some tingling sensation, or you may simply know that it's moving. Now place that energy ball in your heart space. And now move this energy ball in your spine down to the root chakra. In a moment, we are going to send this energy ball into Mother Earth. And before that, send all of your intention, your prayer, your light to this energy ball sitting in your root chakra right now. Now visualize this energy ball going down through your root chakra to the earth. Going deeper and deeper and deeper. And visualize your intention being planted golden light of energy, sealing your intention deep down into the earth. Bring your focus back to your heart space. This is the time to send gratitude to all the energy guiding and supporting you right now and throughout. Thank all the energy being who supported us in this beautiful process. With this deeper knowing that it will be taken care of for your highest good, gradually come back to your body. Fill yourself with smile and gratefulness. And open your eyes